Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do another Lightroom tutorial. This is a preview of the Lightroom preset, before and after applying. Let's make your photos look amazing with our preset. Free preset for Lightroom, link in description. If you are using Lightroom on a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG file as well. Please support us by giving a like and subscribing. We will be providing high quality stuffs. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's take an adventure's ride on magical world of Lightroom. Password will be appearing as a card on top right corner and will appear 2 times. Combine both of them to get the code. Feel free to comment below. Let's start with the lights panel. First of all, contrast to 25. And now highlights to -40. Shadows to 35. Whites to -28. Blacks to -30. Now go to the color panel. And temperature to 13. Tint to -2. Then vibrance to -12. Now go to Color Mix panel and change the hue, saturation and luminance of different colors. Go to Effects panel and change the vignette to -22. Clarity to 5. Now copy the settings and paste it to your other photos. After downloading the preset, do the same. Copy settings and paste. Note that preset may not work for all images. So make sure to increase the highlights, exposure, whites and blacks manually, if the photos are dark. Thank you so much for supporting. If you really liked this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Have a nice day. Click the video for more tutorials and free presets.